Hey, what type of bread is that?
Oh, it's called Tuscan bread.
Where's it from?
It's from Wegmans, but it's manufactured by using KV System machinery.
What does KV Systems do?
They make machinery that is used to make the bread.
Wow, this is great. Can you explain more about the machines?
Sure, but instead of hearing from me, let's hear from the good people at Gemini. First, we'll start off with knowledge.
There's so much automation happening. There's things moving, and I think that's the cool part, is just seeing all those mechanisms doing their each individual thing.
What I like about here at Gemini is I get to do more design than just simple drafting.
So some designs don't work as well out there. Like going out there and saying, okay, well, it's 1.813 inches, and I need to take off 4 thousandths. So it went from 1.813 to 1.809. That's the degree, and I wouldn't know that because computer software, just everything looks nice.
Passion is one of the 3 things Gemini is known for. Passion for their whole crew and machinery.
You can do so many things that you can use your mind and use your hands, and you can create.
And when I started doing this, there was no women in this field. People told me I would never get a job, and things have changed. They've changed a lot.
My favorite part about this job would have to be everything that I design and create. Being able to see my designs come to life is the best reward here.
The final thing about Gemini is legendary service. They make sure their service is the best for their customers.
They talk to the customer and find out what the customer wants, and then they'll give instructions to engineering. People who are buying our equipment will do something called factory acceptance testing, where they set up the whole machine and it runs. They make some fake dough. You actually get to see the whole thing in operation.
Manufacturing one somewhere. So you don't even think about it. It's things you use every day. But somebody designed it, which is pretty cool.
Next time I get bread, I'll get something made on the KV Systems machine.
Yum!